So in this quick video, I wanted to share with you the steps I go through to find valuable items within rare collectible books. Hey, so I got a quick legal disclaimer here. The content that I'm sharing with you should not be construed as financial or legal advice. What I'm giving you is strictly for educational purposes only. So if you need to, please consult with a qualified professional regarding your specific situation. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's get down to the real content. And so what I've done is I've gone to eBay and I've typed in the phrase antiquarian collectible books because this is a category within eBay. And I want to share with you something that I found here. So I'm going to click search, and then I'm going to look for just the sold items. So these are the rare antiquarian collectible books that have sold. So within the sold items, I found this book called Anne of Avonlea, published in 1909, that sold for $750, this copy here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It's the first edition, and we'll go take a look at the original listing. And here it is, sold for $750. The title is Anne of Avonlea. It's published in 1909 and written by L.M. Montgomery. And so it's got some pictures here. There's the cover, inside cover, title page, publisher's page, right? So this book sold for $750. My challenge in order to do book arbitrage is to find another first edition copy of this book for less than $750. And if I can do that, then the difference between what I pay and what I can sell it for, the $750, that difference now becomes my profit. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab here. And I'm going to go to a place called abe.com or Abe Books. And the title, let's go ahead and just copy it. It's right, it's Anne of Avonlea. So I'm going to do a copy. I'm going to paste it in here. And let's do more search options. Oops. Let's put the title in here. And the actual published date is 1909. And we know it's a hard copy or hardcover. And I want only the first editions. And then now I'm going to go ahead and say find the book. And let's see what we can find here. Here's one. Looks the same. So it's Anne of Avonlea by L.M. Montgomery. This book was, let's see, it's the first edition. And it's published in 1909, right? 1909, hardcover, first edition. Let's go back to the eBay listing where we first saw it. And we're going to see that, yeah, 1909, Anne of Avonlea, L.M. Montgomery. Alright, so this looks to be the same book. Let's look real quick here. Let's go through some of these pictures. There's a personalization of some sort. Here's the title page, and it's got an illustration next to it. We come over to here where I could buy the book. Let's see. Here's the cover. There's the publisher's page, copyright 1909. There's the illustration, which we saw. And the title page looks the same, right? And then come back to eBay. And I'm going to say that is the very same book. Copyright 1909 by L.C. Page and Company. Come over to here. And copyright 1909 by L.C. Page and Company. So this is the very same book. I can buy it used, $314.50 to purchase it, with $10.38 to ship it. So we're looking at $329 for me to get a copy of this book. And then I can resell it over here on eBay. The seller got $750 for it. You're not going to want to miss my next video where I share more tips, tricks, hints, and secrets about how I'm able to make money working from home.